Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In my last video, I talked about cryptocurrency and I showed you with the help of analysis that why you should start investing in cryptocurrency and why you should at least think of cryptocurrency as an asset class. If you have not checked out my last video, do check it out. I have linked the video in my description box and also you can see the thumbnail in the screen now in the top. So in this video, I'm going to show you which are those cryptocurrencies that you should invest in, how much you should invest in, how you should invest in which way, and which are the platforms which are available for you to invest in cryptocurrencies. So let's get started. Before I start on the topic, some people might be wondering or having doubts that if investing in cryptocurrency is legal in India or not. So let me clear that doubt. In 2018, RBI wanted to put a ban on cryptocurrency trading and investing in India. But in 2020, Supreme Court allowed cryptocurrency trading and investing in India. So as of now, as it goes from our apex highest court, cryptocurrency trading and investing is legal in India, which is a good news. And also Government of India is thinking of creating its own digital currency, which means that things are moving in the right direction and there should not be any worry about investing and trading in cryptocurrency as far as India is concerned. Now, if you have understood the potential of crypto and cryptocurrencies in the long term or in the long run, and you have made your mind that you will invest in cryptocurrency, whatever form and how much amount it might be small, it might be big, but if you have made your mind, then this video will be very useful to you. Let me tell you which are those cryptocurrencies that you should invest in long run and probably will yield you good amount of return. But before that, also I need to remind you that cryptocurrency is a space which is evolving, which means it's a very nascent space at this point of time. Very small population in this planet is now investing in cryptocurrency, which means there is a huge opportunity for those who will be early movers because they'll be able to buy those currencies in a very, very less price. And then when the price of the currencies will move up, they'll be able to make huge gains or profit. However, it also brings the concern that there are lots of cryptocurrencies which are made in this planet, which are complete junk, which means those cryptocurrencies doesn't hold any intrinsic value. They don't have any good fundamentals. They don't have any reason to exist. One of those cryptocurrencies which have become very popular but is absolute junk is Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin became very popular because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk kind of bought Dogecoin and Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin, and because Elon Musk is regarded as very highly influential person in this world, so a lot of people have just bought Dogecoin, and because of that Dogecoin price has moved up. So you will see coins like this which doesn't solve anything, which doesn't have any intrinsic value, but also the price will move up just because of trading. And retail investors and investors or traders will keep investing even without knowing what is good and what is bad on the coins which have intrinsic value, even on the coins which doesn't. Now, having said that, I wanted to put this very clear because when you're investing in cryptocurrency, which is in this nascent stage, which is in infant stage at this point of time, you need to be very, very sure of those currencies in which you will be investing in. Now, let me give an analogy about investing in cryptocurrency with the help of stock market. Now, in stock market, if you analyze stocks, you'll have three different types of stocks, right? You can bucket stocks in three different ways or segments. One of those segments are called large caps. Large caps are those stocks which have very high market capitalization, which are companies with huge revenues, and the stock has been bought by lots and lots of people, which basically makes the market capitalization of stocks very high. So these are those stocks which comes into Sensex or Nifty index. For example, Reliance, TCS, Infosys, these big companies are large cap companies. So these are well established large cap stocks. Now after that comes mid cap. which are those companies which have lesser market capitalization and lesser value, but comes after large cap. And then there are smaller companies which has smaller amount of stocks floating around the market and has smaller market capitalization, which comes under small caps. So you can see there are three caps or three segments of stock market: large cap, mid cap, and small caps. Similarly, in cryptocurrencies also, you can segment cryptocurrencies in large caps, mid caps, and small caps. Large caps are those cryptocurrencies which holds lots of market capitalization, which means that the entire amount of money which are invested in cryptocurrency space, maximum of those money will flow into large cap cryptocurrencies, which are those currencies which are time tested, has intrinsic value, and people have invested a lot in course of time in last decade. So, and then comes mid cap. Mid cap are those cryptocurrencies which are new altcoins, where people are where there is intrinsic value and people have started investing. Some of those currencies might or might not have intrinsic value. And then there is small caps, which are new cryptocurrencies coming up in the market, might have intrinsic value or not, but the market capital is very low. So anyone who is very new to investing in cryptocurrencies should think of investing in large cap cryptocurrencies. Now, which are those large cap cryptocurrencies? I'll talk about it. But why? Because large cap cryptocurrencies are currencies which are time tested, has intrinsic value, and has got a lot of investment. There is a community which has been formed around that cryptocurrency, so it is stable and should not be too much volatile. Cryptocurrency in general is volatile, but large cap cryptocurrency will be lesser volatile than the rest. So I will stick to large cap cryptocurrencies which has intrinsic values. Now, which are those cryptocurrencies which are large cap and has intrinsic value? So in my case, I recommend to invest in at least 5 large cap cryptocurrencies and not put all your investment into one cryptocurrency. So if I have to recommend 5 cryptocurrencies, those will be: number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, why? Because Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, has a lot of intrinsic value, and has been the leader in the cryptocurrency space for a decade. And there is a huge community which is formed around Bitcoin. It is time tested and is stable, more stable than other cryptocurrencies in a way. So Bitcoin is definitely one. Second one will be Ethereum. Ethereum, why? Because Ethereum is again a cryptocurrency which is very, very popular, very high market capitalization, and holds a very good intrinsic value because it allows you to do smart contracts on crypto space or blockchain space. So this is one of the currencies which holds huge potential, and there are lots of transactions and altcoins and tokens which have been created on top of Ethereum cryptocurrency itself. So it is very, very important cryptocurrency, and one of the cryptocurrencies you should definitely keep in mind. And then the third, I have personally invested in Solana, which is another cryptocurrency which competes with Ethereum, which makes the transactions faster than Ethereum, but also has the possibility to create smart contracts. So Solana is another cryptocurrency that I look into. I will not recommend directly about investing in any of this cryptocurrency, but you should do your own research. But Solana is one of the cryptocurrencies that holds immense potential according to me. And there will be fourth cryptocurrency, which is Indian made, which I personally like and I have invested. It's Polygon Matic, which is created by an Indian developers, and it is based on Ethereum network, but it helps to create nodes on top of Ethereum network and makes Ethereum more scalable and helps Ethereum transactions to be more widespread with lesser amount of transaction time. So it improves on Ethereum transaction. That is one of the token or cryptocurrency that I would keep an eye on or can recommend. And the fifth one could be any new currency that you think can hold potential, and you can do your own research and invest in it. So the point is, you should invest in those cryptocurrencies which are large cap, which has a lot of traction and community, which has intrinsic value, and you should not invest all your money into one cryptocurrency, but you should at least divide your money into 5 different cryptocurrencies so that you can hedge. If some cryptocurrency doesn't perform at all, then the other should be able to pull you up. So you are hedging your risk. So divide your investment into 5 top cryptocurrencies. Now I hope you have understood which cryptocurrencies you should start investing on and how you should go about it. Now I'll talk about how much you should invest in cryptocurrency. Now this will depend or vary person to person, right? So if someone is very aggressive investor, then they probably might want to invest more in cryptocurrency, and someone is very conservative investor, then they might not be willing to put a lot of investment in cryptocurrency because of the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency at this point of time. So it depends on what is your risk profile and how much risk you want to take. But my recommendation would be to not put more than 10 to 15% of your portfolio into cryptocurrencies. Personally, I invest around 10% of my investment into cryptocurrency. So to give you in numbers, for example, if you can invest 50,000 every month, then you should invest around 5,000 in cryptocurrency every month. So that makes it 10%. Why? Because please understand, cryptocurrency still is in a very nascent stage, so it will be very, very volatile. And the coins that you will invest in, some of them might not perform. So you should not put too much of a money in cryptocurrency as of now, but you should definitely put your money in some of the good cryptocurrencies, because the upside or the return possibilities are huge, right? So you should invest around 10% of your portfolio. And how you should invest? You should invest in a SIP manner, which is systematic investment plan. You should not invest in cryptocurrency one day in a lump sum manner. You should invest or buy cryptocurrencies every month. So you should invest around 5,000. Let's say if you can invest 50,000, 10% of that is 5,000. So invest 5,000 this month, then next month also buy cryptocurrency worth 5,000. And then, you know, month after month, you're buying cryptocurrency worth 5,000. What it does is it basically averages out your price in which you're buying. It averages out the cost that you're incurring to buy cryptocurrency. And because you're averaging out, the volatility gets averaged out as well. So if in long run, the cryptocurrency's price overall increases, then your return will also increase. And because you're buying every month, so you are really not worried about if cryptocurrency prices have gone up or down. You're not trying to time the market. You don't have to, because some month you'll buy at a lower price. In some month, you probably will buy at a higher price based on the pricing which is going on at that point of time. But you will get an average good price of buying if you're buying cryptocurrency in a systematic manner every month. So that is how you should buy your cryptocurrencies, because that will generate you highest return and in the safest manner. Now let me tell you which portals you can use to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, as cryptocurrencies are very evolving nature at this point of time in India, and it holds huge potential. So there are various startups which are coming up in crypto space. A lot of exchanges are opening up every other day, which allows you to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, there are various cryptocurrency exchanges which are already available in India. Some of them are WAZIRX, then CoinDCX, Voldy, Coinswitch by Kuber. So all these crypto exchanges are available for you to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, if you ask me which exchanges or portal do I use to invest in cryptocurrency, I use both WAZIRX and CoinDCX to invest in cryptocurrency. WAZIRX is the largest cryptocurrency portal in India or exchange in India, and it has the largest user base. But the user interface of WAZIRX is not very intuitive. It's not very good for new users. So it's a little cumbersome at the first time. So if you are a new investor, I would say that probably you can try CoinDCX, and that is the reason I have also moved from WAZIRX to CoinDCX, because the interface is very, very clean for CoinDCX, and that is why it could be easier for a new user to understand and invest in CoinDCX, in cryptocurrency, with the help of CoinDCX. CoinDCX also has a significant user base, and it is India's first crypto unicorn, which means that CoinDCX is now valued at $1 billion. So that is why I will trust CoinDCX as an exchange at this point of time, and any new user can use it to easily invest in cryptocurrencies. I will not go too much into details regarding what are the steps, because that's extremely simple. You only need to add money with the help of your UPI or even your wallet. And then once you add money into these portals or exchanges, then you can use that money to buy any cryptocurrency of your choice inside the exchange. So it is as simple as that. I will make a subsequent video where I'll walk you through when I will do a live investment in cryptocurrency with the help of CoinDCX or even WAZIRX, and I'll show you how you can do your first investment with even as low as 1000 rupees. But for that, you need to subscribe the channel because you will get notification whenever I release that video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more. Don't forget to check out my other videos in personal finance, and don't forget to share this video with those who are still understanding the crypto space and they're looking for guidance in terms of making their first investment in cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell me your views so that I can respond to that as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.